We made it to Nashville. This is a continuation vlog from my prep for Nashville. So I'll give you a little house tour. Knock knock. Doing a house tour. This is the bunk room. It's huge. And I feel like it has the nicest bathroom. Full-length mirror, walk-in closet, and a huge shower.
I like shower now, actually.
Yeah, go ahead. And then upstairs is a rooftop area, but it's raining right now, so hopefully that stops. We got laundry. And then I'll do my full room. So this is my room. I have a walk-in closet. And then I liked it because I had my own ensuite with shower, so I can get ready, have some peace. So that's the upstairs. There's a lot of stairs in this house. All right, so this is the main floor. It's really cute. It's all white, gold with like little touches of like mauve-y pink. And then we have a full pantry. And I have my Yeti cooler down there for our pontoon boat ride. Super cute. Here's Mama's stuff. And then I think this is locked, right? Or no? Oh, it's just a utility. Furnace room. We got Frick. We're doing a home tour. This is Frick's bathroom. And this is the Frick room. It was all a dream. Yes, queen. And then we have another room. It's kind of random, but I'll show you. So when you come down here to the front door, I'm actually gonna shut the garage too. Oh, the train's still going. So this is the front door, and then this is the garage. Over here, there's another room. I don't know why. Oh. I guess it's kind of like the mother-in-law suite. So this is the other room, and there is a bathroom in here. Walk-in closet, but it looks like it's just kind of being used for some extra storage. And then here's the other bathroom. So Natalie might take this room. We're gonna see what everybody else wants to do. That's that. So kind of random, but very cute. This one's located in East Nashville.
Do you want me to get the Pop-Tarts?
Doesn't matter. We're at the grocery store grabbing some stuff, and of course, my mom grabs the weirdest shit.
It's because it's on sale, even though she has 50 bags.
She has so many bags.
I know, I keep taking them from her and she's acquiring more.
I got some protein shakes.
I kind of want to get a Lunchable. That sounds good.
Yeah, it does. I got some Mr. Noodle.
Just have junk food.
I think it's all Frick's. I got 2 bags, more barbecue sauce just for home, not for here.
Oh, it's yours?
So we're out of the packets. We used all of it up. I grabbed
A whole
tea.
thing of milk?
She said she'll drink it just by
She's
on
not
its own.
gonna drink that all.
And then those are for Elena. Grab some candles for my cake on Saturday. Shut up. Don't say the number.
25 forever.
We're finally ready. We're going just out for dinner. And then some drinks.
Oh, we're gonna bring plastic. Oh, we didn't bring those small ones. We were gonna bring those plastic ones. Yeah, we're vlogging.
Yes, the pose. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Kiki.
Thank you. Where should we put this to do our shot? Oh, perfect. We can all take our pictures here too. That's literally perfect.
She goes like, unless there's some up there, I don't think they'd be. I'll probably need one.
Your shot looks big. Oh fuck. Yours is too. Yeah.
Cheers,
You guys ready? Good. Okay. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, you go first. I'm gonna need that.
Yeah, I need that chaser though. This video's gonna get us all off the cell.
You guys got ID! That's amazing!
He doesn't know where he's at.
Say hi! Say hi!
Oh, it's really good at air hockey back in the day.
Wow, that's so Canadian of you. What?
It's on top of the 100 tube.
Oh.
It stops right there. Oh my god, I need to try to hit it down. I still got 3 left.
It's all the way behind the 100. Duck down.
Watch out.
Service at the bar. Oh! That's so cool.
This is cool. I can't even do it.
Levi.
I'm twerking in the club.
We're going to Biscuit Love for breakfast.
Woot woot.
I don't even. Oh, the last shit that we would have recorded last night would have been Choral Club. So we came home and we passed out and we slept in, and now we're going for breakfast. And then today we have a pontoon boat, party boat. You need to call that girl so you can book your ticket.
I know.
And then we have dinner reservations at Pinewood Social tonight, and then we're gonna be going and hitting Broadway tonight, and I'm worried. I'm a little worried. So that's the plans for today. So wish us luck that we don't die.
It says honky tonk playing.
Isn't it cute? For a biscuit, love.
I don't know how you want to cut
Oh, that looks so good.
I'll just cut it.
I'm gonna get this hat because I think it's really cute, even though it's similar to what I am wearing. Otherwise, I was thinking this one.
I'm ready. Bring it
Like my hair is already a frizz. Go, mama!
Did I can't stop staring? Oh, baby, I wanna get hooked up and take your picture. My homeboy tried to warn me.
Got a white trash Titanic going on in front there.
Smooth skin, you say you wanna get in my bins? But use me, cause you ain't that average groupie. I see you dancing. To hell with romance and she's sweat. Wet.
Who's got it? Drink Flip
Go,
Neil.
mama. Yeah, mama!
Oh, right here. It's getting heated now.
Hey! What? I know, I have to cut it off. I pulled it out purposely so that I wouldn't forget. I just pulled it out before I came down. Oh, you got it? I literally grabbed it. I know, I put it there so you guys would cut it. I was like, I'm not letting this one stay in because you can see it through the dress. So I grabbed it and I pulled it out, yeah.
Okay, now this one goes a lot better.
Yeah, I pulled it out and I was like, this way.
You're so fucking Nashville.
Thank you.
Let me take a picture of you guys.
In 2 minutes. Ours is also 2 minutes away. I've just been waiting for Bristol. That's the video.
Yes, let's go.
as entrees, I like the grilled chicken sandwich.
Thought it's like
Another drink? I'm okay, maybe. Yeah, we're switching here. What is that?
hummus. Camera and phone eats first.
Except for the hummus.
Yeah, cut me a piece of that.
I had chicken earlier, right? So this guy and all our food. Incredible.
We made it to Broadway.
I do like it. I would have been on your head.
Oh.
On your brain.
But my mom had my camera and they went to a different bar, so I didn't have my camera all night. But I just took my hat off and I guess a bird shit on my head at some point. I'm dead. Me and Bristol kind of have the giggles right now and we have to shower.
We had just
because
enough
Bristol
to
smells so bad. Like every guy kept walking by and telling her how stinky she was. So like, you smell.
They'd be like, you're oh.
Please shower.
Stinky girl. Never mind.
So stinky. I
Cute.
literally cannot believe this. I need to go show everybody.
What's actually funny is that
So cute.
Either have like a
Oh, that smells spicy and yummy.
Thank you. Anybody want ketchup?
No, I'm okay. Look at my sandwich. Yummy.
Here, I'll take it.
We're at my favorite store.
The week before. The week before Halloween, just have them for like a week, you know, and then change them right after. Because I can change them whenever I want. They did something there. And there's like you customize any bag in here.
Yeah. And the colors are
Little tiny bag. I think those are so
that's really cute. Juice
like I'm the realist.
Okay, go.
When we were here, see that? It's really good.
Really.
What'd you get, Julie?
I got that vanilla one.
Are we eating here or we just?
I was just sitting waiting for you guys. I'm
So
gonna.
it might get full for dinner.
Okay, we're going to dinner Rezzo's at the 12:30 club. Just in like the honky tonk bar downstairs, and we were at 12 South earlier. We did some shopping, we got some donuts, but I didn't vlog really. I think I vlogged the Sony Cobra store. We're all ready to go. She's really good. Me and Bristol split pontoon.
So otherwise we just ride on and ruining her birthday. Next birthday by my mom being so much fun.
Mama, your coworkers are gonna love this YouTube video. Okay. Okay, Saturday night. I was not gonna go out, but I've been convinced to go out. I don't even know what time it is. It's super late. So we're going to just like a little local bar. I'm just wearing this little off the shoulder shirt and we're doing cake now. HR, call him HR. Jiggling her titty.
I saw TikTok. I saw where the girl can make her one boob go up.
I have a little, what do we have to drink for shots?
I'm doing tequila.
I have a baby tequila, but I need to share cheese. What?
She has big boobs, and I was like,
Your teeth look so white right now, they're glowing in the camera.
tall she is.
I know. No, her teeth, look at her teeth glowing through the screen.
I know your teeth are so
Look at it, they're
I
glowing.
brush my teeth with peroxide.
You like princessa.
Oh, it's a video.
Are we all, I literally said that while you hugged me.
I count my calories, thank you.
It's Sunday. We're going to White Limousine. I'm kind of like doing a little bit of an outfit repeat, just with like a black t-shirt though, and then this cap I got. So we're gonna go and have brunch there, and then we might go to a winery later, but we don't really have any other reservations after this one. This is our last one. It's our last day, and then tomorrow we'll be home. So I'm so excited to see my little baby and Brandon. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm really excited to go to White Limousine. I think it's gonna be good. Our Rosa was soon, so we have to take off.
So cute. I might do one too. It sounds good. Like a something party.
You like it here?
Yes, it's cute. Good. So fun. Secrets. Can't have that now.
Like something. I know, I'm just curious on that. I have some.
Okay, so it's our last day. We didn't end up going to a winery or anything like that. We just went to White Limousine today. We just kind of relaxed, had a little bit of a nap, and now we're gonna go drive into Franklin because that's normally where I stay, because that's where Bristol lives. She already packed up and left for the day. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go to Puckett's for dinner. It's one of my favorite barbecues to have in Nashville, so that's what we're gonna do now. And I love the drive there because it's all pretty nice big mansions that I cannot afford. So let's go see them.
Oh, neighbor love mushroom is so yummy.